Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.